Tinubu they beg Wike to join APC. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you do so now. Put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, of late, almost all politicians, from governor, legislators dem, even individuals, former vice presidential candidates, and all shades of politicians dem don dey run, dey defect from their parties to join the All Progressives Congress (APC). And na so APC dey receive dem well. E get one of the states for the north when the youth dem say dem no go allow the governor join dem because e no dey perform. However, another tori come dey play out where the president Bola Tinubu e don dey literally dey beg the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, say make e come join their party. The president dey talk this one on Wednesday when e dey inaugurate Arterial Road N16 to Arterial Road N20, another route for the Katampe district. The president say Nyesom Wike no be member of the APC for now. He say but e dey collaborate to deliver the project for the Federal Capital Territory. According to the president, we get somebody for Nyesom Wike, not be member of our party, at least not yet. But the day he change his mind and register with the progressives, he say we go welcome am because we go join am to sing that in song as e dey pain dem, e dey sweet us. And so the president talk. Tinubu say the project e dey affirm the commitment of im administration to transform the area. He say government dey guided by that philosophy of reform and regeneration. He can't describe infrastructure as a necessity. He say infrastructure not go flourish without good roads. He can't repeat, say in administration they invest in roads, manpower, healthcare, education, and digital infrastructure. He said the project it represent more than a stretch of asphalt. He say e dey confirm the commitment when he make to urban transformation under the renewed hope agenda. He say since he assumed office for May 2023, the administration dey guided by the philosophy when they anchor on reform and regeneration. He say that day that they see the tangible proof of that philosophy in action. He say infrastructure not be luxury. He say na necessity. The president say na the bedrock of national competitiveness, growth, social integration, economic opportunity. He say him recognize say the nation development e dey linked to the quality of infrastructure when dey connect people, cities, and industries. He say no way industrialization go fit succeed when good roads no dey. Say that na why in government dey invest in roads, manpower, health, education, and digital infrastructure. Say na only through that coordinated and integrated development, na they go fit unlock Nigeria full potential. He say, and the promise say they go do am. And so the president can talk. Country people, the president, know they withhold in praise for the drive when the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, bring enter his administration. For any public fora when the president see, when he connect wetin Minister Wike dey do, he dey talk am out, say Wike a gallant. No wonder the president don dey woo am, say na people like that dem need for their party. And that is why he dey tell Wike make he come join the APC, say they go receive am well and they go join am to take sing that in favorite tune. Other people dey go beg make they accept them, but Wike, he come be like say na the only politician for Nigeria when he dey on record, when the president na personally dey beg am make he come join the All Progressives Congress. And if you listen very well to wetin the president talk, when he say although Wike not be their member, he say at least not yet. Now be say the inclination dey say Wike may eventually join the All Progressives Congress, APC. Although for now, they fight when they fight the People's Democratic Party leadership. Maybe it dey uppermost for a mind. Once he does succeed with his mission for the PDP, whatever the mission be, I don't know, then maybe Wike go come think of how he go come to answer the invitation of in principal, the president and commander-in-chief, Bola Tinubu. Country people, this invitation when the president they extend to Minister Wike, how he sound for una ears. It show say Wike na performer. And this fact, a lot of people, both residents, visitors to Abuja, they don't confirm am. Say Wike don't transform the Abuja landscape. That if you be frequent caller, visitor to the Federal Capital Territory, even if you not like the person of Nyesom Wike, he say you go like the work when he don't do for the Federal Capital Territory. No wonder one visit when Wike lead the community of Abuja residents to go greet President Tinubu for Salah, the president talk am clear for there, say Wike na man when he get drive and focus. And I make when Wike ask am to remove the FCT administration from Treasury Single Account, TSA. He say he remove only Wike so that they go fit generate income and also spend that income for the infrastructural development of Abuja. Wike, although not dey new to controversy, Wike be like that proverbial tortoise when e name not dey comot for story. No story you not go hear tortoise name. Wike e dey involved for almost every story. Wike, if e name not dey, the story not dey sweet. But Wike e dey achieve results. That na why even recently too the president talk, say make people when they stay for Abuja, make them pay their ground rent, make them listen to their landlord when it be Wike. That one they show say the president get tacit approval for Wike as a point man, and Wike they deliver. Country people, how you see this invitation when president they give Wike make he come join the All Progressives Congress? If you get anything to talk, put am for the comment section.